Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of WordPress. In the upper right hand corner of the screen, look for the login option. Clicking on this area will prompt a new dialog box where you can securely access your account. After clicking the login option, you will need to choose your method of authentication. Instead of entering a username or password manually, select the option labeled Continue with Google. This option is provided for your convenience, and when you click on it, you will be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Simply choose the account you wish to use by clicking on the appropriate option. This process is designed to streamline your login experience while ensuring your account remains secure. Once you have successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the settings section. This section is the heart of your WordPress configuration and allows you to manage many aspects of your website. Look for a link that directs you to the settings area, where you can adjust various parameters to suit your needs. Clicking this link will bring you to a page filled with different configuration options. Within settings, you will need to look for the newsletter section. The newsletter area is designed specifically to manage subscription options and communication features on your website. By clicking on the newsletter area, you are entering the configuration space where you can customize how visitors to your site are engaged. Once inside the newsletter section, locate the option for the subscription overlay on your homepage. This feature is crucial as it allows you to create a pop-up that engages visitors as soon as they arrive on your website. To activate this feature, simply turn on the subscription overlay on homepage option. Activating this overlay will ensure that the subscription invitation appears only on your homepage, making it more noticeable without being intrusive to users navigating deeper into your site. After you have enabled the subscription overlay, it is important to finalize your changes. To do this, scroll through the settings page until you find the option to save settings. A single click here will secure all the changes you have made to date. Saving the settings is a critical step because it ensures that the new subscription overlay will be active on your site. Following the save operation, you will be presented with an option labeled Preview and Edit. This function allows you to view how your new homepage pop-up will appear to visitors. Clicking Preview gives you an opportunity to make sure that the design, placement, and overall functionality match your expectations before finalization. At this stage, you are now ready to tailor the appearance of your pop-up further. Select the option to edit your pop-up, which takes you into the site editor interface. Here you can customize the text, style, and other visual elements of the subscription overlay. This customization ensures that the pop-up is not only functional, but also aesthetically aligned with your website's design and branding. Once you have completed your edits, your final task is to save your changes. In the upper right-hand corner of the site editor, look for the Save button and click on it. This final save will lock in all the changes you have made, ensuring that your new homepage subscription pop-up is live and functioning properly. With these steps completed, you now have an engaging and effective pop-up on your WordPress homepage ready to capture visitor interest.